Crude oil hitting the highs at 75.3 has retraced all the way towards $70 levels. In my first update with the Asia and Europe session, I have mentioned very clearly you can take a sell at 73. There is a possibility of a move towards 70. What has happened? We have seen a move towards 70 and now it is bounced back up again. While natural gas has stayed in a narrow zone, hitting the failing to stay above 3.66, 3.7 zone, we have seen a reversal here and now it has come down to the support at 3.6 and it is yet to break below the critical support at 3.5654. So what to expect now from oil and gas with the US session? Are we looking forward a greater rise in the energy prices here with the geopolitical conflicts and the tensions rising in the Middle East? Can we expect a rise here in the oil prices? Or we are done with the highs and we can look forward to a drop here? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading US crude and natural gas? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates with detailed analysis and reasoning behind each and every level. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first US crude followed with net gas. Watch till the end. See, oil on the early charts, what has happened? It was trading with divergence from the 20 period. It has just crissed the 20 period. This is the beauty of the prices here. It has just crissed the 20 period and now trying to bounce back. Now, can you see a symmetry here? You can see a reversal sign here. You can see a reversal sign here. But it is not yet to be treated as reversal. Only and only if you see oil now trading below 71.6. You can take a sell for 71 and then 70.7 levels, below which you can expect 70 at the next support. Right now I can see it is not yet confirming bearishness. It can still bounce back. It can rise from current levels and move beyond 73. 73 is one critical number which it has to break, and then we can expect it to in fact rise all the way towards 75. Stochastic rising, the MACD traded with extreme bullishness. It has tried to converge, not yet crossed over, and see it is at extremes and hence it has to cross over and trade with moderate bearishness. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, similar observation. Notice after the rise it has retraced, again it has retraced. Now see, this is the main trend, this is the retracement. So now if it trades below 71, possibility will be high that in fact it can trade below 70 as well again. So this is something you should keep a note of, while at the same time a move beyond 73.6 and 74 will negate the drop here. And then you can see a rally again. See, drop retracement, rise retracement, and again a rise and retracement. However, the prices are still trading with divergence from the 20 period. So what it is trying to do, it is taking its time. It is waiting for the 20 period to climb up. Now $70, it will take the support from the $70 levels, around $70 levels, and stay in the zone. Moving average is bullish. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD trading with extreme bullishness here. It is not yet crossed over. It is still staying bullish, but this is extreme here. So a possible reversal cannot be denied. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to 3 hour. Now notice on the 3-hour charts higher lows and higher highs here. And now it has to either drop or trade beyond 73.6 and 74. That will confirm another round of rise all the way towards 75 or 76. Else what could happen? See, this is the reversal sign, red, green. So this one should be red, where the price is going to move towards $70 levels again. The possibility exists strong that prices might erase some of the gains from the preceding few candles. The stochastic has dropped here from the overbought zone. The MACD trading with extreme divergence and bullish. The RSI is also staying overbought here. Coming to 4-hour. On the 4-hour charts, what has happened? See, it was outside Bollinger Bands. That is why we can see first bearish candle. The second is a swing candle with lower highs, lower lows. Now, as long as 73, 73.6 is not taken, you should not be treating this as bullish. This zone between 73, 73.6 and 74 is very, very critical for oil to break beyond. And I think it is going to be difficult as well. What I see here is potentially the current candle might also turn out red, and then it may erase the gains from this candle, where the prices can in fact move towards 70 to $68 zone. This is something you should keep a note of, and hence you have to be trading with caution. If it starts to move upwards still 74, do not treat this as bullish. Stochastic looking downwards here. The MACD trading with divergence. The MACD trading extremely bullish here. The RSI is also nearing to the overbought zone. Coming to the daily charts, when you see the daily, now see on the daily charts, I have mentioned previously in my previous updates that once it stays beyond 65, we can look forward to a move towards 70, and staying above 70, we may see a good move. See what has happened, forming double bottom here. We had seen a rise, then consolidation, and now it has given a breakout. Now see, definitely the moving averages have crossed over on the buy side, and it has formed a very, very good. at 63.8, and this I have shared several times that now 63.8 has been a good base here. Now with that as base, we have seen couple of strong bullish candles. Also the current candle is outside Bollinger Bands, and hence I expect it to close within the bands here. I do not expect it to turn green, because once it turns green, it has to deliver a massive move, and I think it is going to be difficult for oil to do so. Stochastic here at top, MACD trading with extreme divergence, extreme bullishness looking upwards. RSI extremely overbought as well. So possibly it could consolidate here and then may start off with the rise in the coming week. But right now I think the bulls appear to be exhausted as of now. See how easily under 5 minutes we have analyzed the complete charts and arrive at the levels. You can, and before I provide you the levels, if you also want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 33rd mentorship batch. Invest in your learning first. Learning is the only investment which can give you profits throughout your life. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you are just looking forward to uh, trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on telegram. Again, connect with me for your queries. Once you have your trades in place, it is very, very important to have a trusted partner which can offer you swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charge, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. And yes, it is very, very important to trust the partner such that you've been charged the lowest fees and you can save much of your capital. Join it today. The link is there in the channel and video description. So first thing is where you should buy. Ideally, the buying entry now is at 72.5, 72.6 zone. That too with the rider that till 74, it's not bullish. You can expect 73 at the first target, 73.4 at the next, and then 74 levels. Till 74, it's not bullish. Prices can drop again. Beyond 74, there is no looking back. We can look forward to a massive rise. On the downside, now I'll recommend a selling entry at $72 levels. Yes, if you see oil trading below 72, expect 71.6, 71, and then 70.2 levels at the next targets. Below 70.2 is where slight bearishness to be seen. Then you can expect 69.7 and 69.3 levels at the next targets. I do not expect it to drop below that, but yes, if it trades below 69.3, 68 should be seen as the strongest support here. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. See, natural gas, if you look at, I've shared this earlier in the day, it is staying in the box. It has to come out of this box. See, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now, every time 3.5654 has offered it a greater support, and thus, only and only if you see it is staying below 3.5654 zone, treat this as bearish. Else, what's happening? It is staying in the zone, and a move beyond 3.7, 3.72 should be treated as a breakout and then 3.8. If these two levels are taken, I think it's a reversal and the rally will be seen. Right now it is staying in the zone, it is trading in a range bound zone. Moving averages are slightly bearish. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trading with moderate bearishness as of now. RSI is flat here. Coming to 2 hour charts, look at 2 hour charts. See, preceding two candles greener, current candle is starting off with the tail, so I expect it to give you a breakout. If you see it is staying beyond 3.62, that is a lower price. If you see is above 3.62, buy here and expect 3.65 at the first target and 3.68, 3.7 is the next. If at all it stays above 3.71, you can expect 3.75 and 3.8 as the next targets. Beyond 3.8, it's going to turn massively bullish. Right now, it is staying in a zone, neither bullish nor bearish. Stochastic at bottom trying to bounce back. The MACD is flat. The MACD has just crossed over for a sell. Not a good sign though, but it is staying flat. RSI is flat here. Coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation, see preceding couple of candles swing here. It is very, very important for it to trade beyond 3.6265. So possibility exists that from here prices can reverse and can move all the way towards 3.65 and 3.68 zone, which should be the next resistance zone. Stochastic right now trading bearish. The MACD is in the green here. After the crossover, it is converged here, but not yet crossed over. RSI trading with moderate bearishness. Likewise, on the 4-hour charts, look at the 4-hour charts, the support here getting stronger. And see, it has to now trade below 3.5654 zone. If these two levels are taken, then 3.5 will come into picture. And once 3.5 is taken, it is going to deliver a massive down move. Remember, the moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading with divergence and a breakout here. Because see, what we are also seeing is a consolidation. A breakout here below 3.6564 should confirm the next move, which can take it all the way towards 3.5 and 3.45 zone. 3.45 the stronger support, and there is a gap till towards 3.45 as well. So yes, wait for a breakout either which ways. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is trading with moderate bullishness, the RSI is staying flat. Coming to daily, Now look at the daily chart. So what has happened for last couple of days? See diminishing bearishness here, then the retracement. Also with the preceding two candles, you can see increasing body size. Also notice today it is delivering higher lows. So as long as now 3.5654 is not, we should not be treating this as bearish. But once 3.54 is taken, it can deliver similar size of bearish candle, and that could be the beginning of another down move here, which is going to take it all the way towards 3.45, 3.4 zone. Stochastic rising from the bottom, the MACD has crossed over here, trading with moderate bearishness. And if you see the RSI, this is almost flat. So looking at this, what I will recommend, see first a buying entry is only about 3.62. If you see the lower price about 3.62, initiate a buying entry, expect 3.65 and then 3.68. If it trades beyond 3.68, 3.7 zone, there is no looking back. We can look forward to 3.75 and 3.8 as the next targets. Beyond 3.8, sky is the limit. While on the downside, you can take a sell at 3.56 levels. When you see the higher price below 3.56, take a sell for 3.54, 3.53 at the first target, 3.5 at the next, and then below 3.5. Ideally, I'll be looking forward to 3.45 as the next targets. Below 3.545, stay short for 3.4. And then if it trades below 3.4, if it closes at the bottom today, the opening next week is going to be a bearish note where the price possibility of a move towards 3.2 cannot be 3.42 cannot be denied here. Take your 3.2 cannot be denied, not 3.42. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend. Do not miss to watch the weekly reviews tomorrow.